Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and today we'll dive into the word adjust. This word is a B2 level verb that means to change something slightly to make it better or correct. It's a practical and adaptable word that you'll find incredibly useful in everyday life. Let's start with a deeper look at what adjust means. Imagine you're trying to improve a picture frame that's slightly tilted. You might need to adjust it to make it straight. Or if your chair is uncomfortable, you could adjust its height to suit your needs. Adjust is all about making small changes to improve something or make it work correctly. There are several synonyms for adjust that carry similar meanings. For example, you could use modify, as in, I need to modify the recipe to make it less spicy. Another synonym is alter, like in the sentence, she decided to alter her schedule to fit the new meeting. A third option is adapt, such as, he had to adapt his plan to the unexpected weather conditions. Each of these words can often be swapped with adjust depending on the context. Now, let's talk about antonyms for adjust. One clear opposite is neglect, as in, he chose to neglect fixing the broken handle, which only made the problem worse. Another antonym is ignore, like in the phrase, she decided to ignore the feedback instead of making the necessary changes. These words highlight the contrast between taking action to improve and choosing not to. In everyday life, adjust is a word you'll find yourself using often. For example, if you're learning a new language, you might need to adjust your study methods to find what works best. At work, you may have to adjust to new team dynamics or project requirements. Even something as simple as adjusting the brightness on your phone is a daily example of this versatile word in action. Here are a few more examples of adjust in sentences. She took a moment to adjust her glasses before continuing to read. You should adjust the thermostat if the room feels too cold. He had to adjust his attitude after hearing the constructive criticism. Each of these shows how small changes can make a big difference. To wrap up, today we've explored the word adjust, a powerful verb that helps us describe the act of making small changes to improve or correct something. We've covered its meaning, learned about synonyms like modify, alter, and adapt, as well as antonyms like neglect and ignore, and seen how it fits naturally into daily life. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word adjust and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and adjusting to new challenges.
Goodbye.